The world of medicine is evolving rapidly, and as a pharmaceutical product manager, you're at the heart of this change. Your job now demands expertise in science, business, and technology, far beyond traditional marketing. Segmentation isn't just about grouping doctors. It's about using data to personalize engagement for each physician and patient. Artificial intelligence is transforming how you predict trends, identify patient populations, and optimize marketing. No longer a dream, but a daily tool. You operate in an omni-channel world where customers expect seamless experiences across every touchpoint, from digital apps to in-person visits. Your challenge: orchestrate these interactions so your brand's message is clear and valuable everywhere. All this innovation must happen within strict compliance. Every email, ad, and data point must meet legal and ethical standards. Compliance isn't a barrier, it's the foundation of trust. Balancing advanced strategies with compliance is your core challenge and your biggest opportunity. You're now a strategic leader, connecting clinical, market access, medical, sales, and regulatory teams. Your job is to synthesize these moving parts into a unified brand strategy. Gone are the days of simply executing plans. You're now the architect, anticipating challenges and steering your brand towards sustainable success. Above all, the patient remains at the center of every decision. This is the new reality of pharma product management. The product manager's role has shifted from operational support to strategic leadership. You're no longer just managing brochures or conferences. You're the brand CEO, responsible for your product's destiny. This means owning the brand's strategy, commercial success, and profit and loss. You answer tough questions about market share, revenue, and ROI. You run a business within a business, collaborating across market access, medical affairs, and clinical development. Your perspective must now span the entire commercial ecosystem. As brand CEO, you move from reactive to proactive, analyzing data, identifying opportunities, and charting the strategic path. You champion the brand, defend its budget, and inspire cross-functional teams. The role is demanding, but it gives you the power to shape your product's future. Most importantly, you maximize its potential to help patients. That's the true reward of modern product management. As brand CEO, you lead without direct authority. Your team members report elsewhere. Success depends on your ability to influence, persuade, and inspire experts from diverse functions. Your main tool: a compelling, data-driven vision. Immerse yourself in market research, analytics, and clinical data to become the brand's expert. When you present clear, evidence-backed strategies, people listen. Build strong relationships by understanding each function's goals and challenges. Show empathy and support, earning trust and respect. Your vision must be clear, concise, and inspiring, a story everyone can rally behind. With passion and data, you unite individuals into a high-performing team. This is leadership through influence, the most vital skill for a brand CEO. The product lifecycle, or PLC, is your essential strategic roadmap. It's not just a theory, it's a dynamic tool for diagnosing your brand's state and planning actions. Each stage, introduction, growth, maturity, decline, demands a different strategy. Your approach must adapt. What works in growth may fail in maturity. The PLC forces you to think long-term, anticipating challenges and preparing for market shifts. It provides a common language for your team, aligning everyone on what matters most at each stage. When you say, "We're entering maturity," the team knows to shift focus and tactics. The PLC keeps your strategy proactive, not reactive. It's indispensable for uniting cross-functional teams around shared goals. Use it to guide your brand through every phase. Let's break down the product life cycle into action. Introduction. Build awareness and drive trial. Educate key opinion leaders, secure payer access, and equip your sales force. Growth. Maximize market share. Expand campaigns, invest in education, and broaden indications. Maturity. Defend your position, reinforce value, launch patient support, and manage costs. Use real-world data to remind payers and physicians of your product's long-term value. Decline. Manage the transition. Reduce marketing, focus on loyal prescribers, and shift resources to new products. Each stage requires different metrics and tactics. Your job is to anticipate these shifts and act decisively. Strategic choices at every phase maximize your brand's value. The PLC isn't just a curve, it's your playbook for success. Adapt, defend, and evolve as your product moves through its life cycle. Make every stage count for your brand and your patients. That's how you sustain value, even as the market changes. The right actions at the right time make all the difference. Randomized controlled trials, RCTs, are essential, but they don't capture real-world complexity. Real-world evidence, RWE, fills this gap using data from health records, claims, and registries. RWE shows how your product performs with real patients, not just trial participants. In growth, use RWE to prove value to payers and secure reimbursement. In maturity, leverage RWE to defend your brand's safety and effectiveness against competitors. RWE can reveal new patient subgroups and opportunities for label expansion. It's a powerful tool for demonstrating long-term value and unlocking new potential. Every brand CEO must master RWE to stay competitive. Move beyond trial data. Prove your product's impact in the real world. That's how you build trust and sustain success. Above all, patient safety is your top priority. Pharmacovigilance, monitoring and preventing adverse effects, is a core responsibility. You ensure robust systems for safety reporting from launch to the last patient. Your communications must present both benefits and risks transparently. Train your team, especially sales, to report adverse events immediately. Champion a culture where safety is never compromised. You are the steward of your brand's safety profile. Strategic leadership and value creation rest on this ethical foundation. By leading with vision and prioritizing safety, you build trust and impact lives. Success is measured not just in sales, but in the well-being of patients. That's the true legacy of a modern pharma product manager.